What's going on, guys? Got another video today. So today I'm doing the air scoop. They gave me templates and I'm not going to use them because I know exactly what I need to do. So looking at this, at the hole pattern as to what it's going to have to be. So this will be the left hand, however, it's really the right, but the purpose is that you stick it on. But I'm not doing that, so I'm doing it much easier like this. I will label where the screws go with the pencil. I did already take out the bolts and the other bolts. So right now we're about to start the cutting, but I want to basically make the markings on the blue painter's tape first. Then we're going to outline the opening, and then I've got my Dremel tool, and then we're going to start the cutting process. So let's get into it. All right, so right now I'm going to mark with the pencil. Let's get this lined up the way I want it. Let's get the other circles done. Okay, circles are done. Now we're gonna do this outline for where the air is gonna be going in. Very light. So this portion, pencil, not pen. All right, so here's the outline, as you can see with the pencil. So here's where I'm going to be cutting, and that's where I'm going to be drilling in the small screws. So the screws are very, very small, so you want to be careful with your drill bit as to how you're drilling it in. So the screw, like I said, is extremely small, but that's okay. Time to pop this off. And time to start cutting. All right, Dremel portion is done. Just like that, it's out. Now we're gonna do the cutting and the drilling for the holes, but that doesn't really need to be filmed. So let's get this done with the sanding portion, and I'll drill the holes and line it up. All right, so here's the final product of what I've done the Dremel and cutout. It's pretty good to me. So we're gonna start assembling this right now, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. All right, so here's as good as it got. I can only do 3 out of 4 because this one was starting to get stripped. My other option is to just take this off, and then I can use all 4, but I'm gonna test it out now and see how fitment is. Here's the fitment, and here's the openings. So it should come right up, scoop right in, and that looks to be about that. So looks pretty good. All right, so with some pushing in this way, got it on. So fitment is pretty good. It's pretty solid to me. We're gonna pop this back in. Tabs, so let's do it. All right, got the grill in, put in down, and then press the top, put in down, press the top while holding the top, and that's it.
Down, then bring it around.
You want to die, that's how you die. Anyway, done, and that's the install. Fitment is on point. I think it's pretty good. And that's going to conclude our video. So this is for the install. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.